Yo, what's up guys? It be your boy, that Flyin Ryan, back at you with another video. In this video, we're going over the new update that GoPro just released like 4 days ago or so, maybe 5, 6, about a week, let's just say tops. Anyways, what the main issue that I want to address is that they say that they addressed some things with Real Steady and the rolling shutter. Never seen it or anything. Curious by me, I updated it, and now I've kind of screwed myself because right now with the issue, I went to go load a file into Real Steady, and it basically had gave me a thing that looked like this. And I was like, what do you mean? Invalid movie. So I got to doing some research, and upon doing some research on the Real Steady's website, I scroll all the way down here, and I'm reading here in the latest news. It's like, shabam, we've come out with 111. I think I'm on 110. I said, okay, so I get to reading it. I click on it. I get to reading it, right? So, I'm addressing this matter right now. So if you've updated to the new Hero Lab 8 firmware and whatnot, and you plan to use Real Steady Go, you're gonna have to give them an email right now. That's what I'm wanting you to know. You're gonna have to send them an email. It clearly says right here, if you are using Real Steady Go Hero 8 Lab firmware, please send us an email at support@realsteady, and we'll send you the download link for boom 1.0.11. So if you guys plan to use Real Steady Go, make sure you send them an email so you can get the newest 0.0 of the 1.0.11 update, so the labs will work, because if not, you're just going to be stuck with error messages like so. So that's my update to you guys. I'm not going to go over the features and all that. I'll leave that to DC Rainmaker, link above here. Check his video out. He's the one that basically put me on to how to install it. Spot on tutorial, so I'll let him do all that talking and, you know, all the features and whatnot. My thing I wanted to address is Real Steady, and that you need to email them to get the newest 1.0.11 update firmware. So the Hero 8 Labs firmware, essentially, that you're thinking about updating to or want to update to, will work. Alright guys, it's that Flyin Ryan here, back at you with another video. If you like that video for helping you, make sure just to give the thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the flip. I'll have a FT5 frame video coming out soon by the T-Motor new frame. So if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe, and we'll have that out as soon as Real Steady gets me over the new firmware. Later.